Can a fraud complaint be withdrawn before the case is officially registered? Technically, fraud is a crime that can be investigated regardless of the victim's wishes once reported. However, withdrawing the complaint before the case is officially booked can definitely influence the investigation. If you formally submit a withdrawal letter, the police might reconsider opening an official case, especially if you've been compensated for your damages or have reached a settlement. But remember, a withdrawal doesn't guarantee the investigation will stop. If the case is serious or has public interest implications, it can proceed anyway. The final decision rests solely with the law enforcement agency. Every case that comes to our office starts with this kind of detailed review. Just like you can't get a proper diagnosis by shouting your symptoms at the hospital door, a few lines about your legal trouble aren't enough. We need to sit down and carefully examine the facts, the timeline, the evidence, and the legal procedures involved. Only then can we pinpoint what went wrong and figure out the best first step. For criminal cases, whether it's theft or a complex insurance fraud, our involvement starts from the very first police questioning and continues all the way through trial. We don't focus on success fees, we focus on building a solid case from day one. In civil matters, it's not just about winning a lawsuit. We think about the end game, actual recovery. We look into asset tracing and enforcement options from the beginning to see if you can realistically get your money back. In real estate disputes like lease deposit fraud, having a certified realtor on the team means we can analyze the contract structure and property rights together, giving us a practical edge. Family law issues like divorce or child custody involve long-term relationships, so we design agreements that prevent future conflicts, rather than just reacting to current emotions. And for cases that mix immigration, criminal, and civil issues, we treat it all as one single connected event. The same lawyer handles everything from the initial consultation to the final execution, ensuring nothing gets lost in translation. Since 2014, we've built our practice on this kind of realistic, detailed approach. We prepare every case as if it's going to court tomorrow. This thorough method is what builds trust and gets results. Finding a firm that applies this comprehensive standard across criminal, civil, family, and real estate law is crucial. This is the standard we uphold at Law Office Asin. For a consultation with a lawyer, please refer to the description box below this video. And if you found this helpful, subscribing and liking the video helps us create more in-depth legal content.